Hi there, welcome. In our last video, we have seen the definition of structures. In this video, let's learn the classification of the structures. Structures can be broadly classified based on three things. Number one, based on materials. Number two, based on load transfer mechanism. And number three, based on framing types. In the category of materials, the structure shall be steel structures, concrete structures, wooden structures, and last one is composite structure, where more than one material is used. In the second category, structure is classified based on the load transfer, that is, load-bearing structure and frame structure. In the last category, where the structure is classified based on the framing type. In this, rigid frame structure and brace frame structure are the two types. Well, this is all about the overall classification or types of structures. Let's look at each types. Steel structures made from hot-rolled steel sections and cold-formed steel sections. Whereas reinforced concrete structures are constructed from concrete with reinforcement steel bars. Composite structures are made using both concrete and structural steel sections. Steel composite deck slab is the best example for this type. Last one, wooden or timber structures, which are made using well-seasoned pre-engineered wooden lumbers. These are all about the structures varies based on materials. The next category is bases on load transfer. In this category, there are two types. First one is load-bearing structures, and the second one is frame structure. In load-bearing structure, foundation, wall, and roof are stacked one above the other. Thus, the load transfer happens one component to other vertically. Load-bearing structures are poor in lateral load resistant. Whereas in frame structures, structure is formed by connection of beams and columns. In this type, brick walls are just infills only. Load transfers from slab to beams, from beams to columns, and then to columns to foundation. Frame structures could be designed well to resist the lateral loads. The last category based on the framing type. One is rigid frame structure, and the another is brace frame structure. If all the column and beam joints are rigid, then the structure is rigid frame structure. In concrete structures, rigidity is obtained by detailing of reinforcement into the column for development length. Whereas in steel structures, rigidity is achieved through the moment connections of beam-column joint. The next type is brace frame structures. In this, beam-column junction can be pin joint, and the lateral stability of the structure is ensured by the vertical bracings. Well, these are all the overall classification of structures. Thanks for watching.